I want to show you how to set up Mai Delight Theme to look like the demo. We have a default install of WordPress here using the default theme. I'm going to activate Mai Delight, which I already have uploaded here. It automatically redirects to the Setup Wizard. Choose the style. I'm going to choose the main demo, which is recipes. Install the recommended plugins. I want to import all of the content. This could take a few minutes because there's a bunch of images to download along with the posts and pages. And there we go. We view our site, and it looks just like the demo. That's how easy it is.